Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to get you started with adding links to your blog posts. And adding links is a pretty important feature of blogging. For one thing, blogging is different from traditional writing because it's a form of social writing that allows us to back up our ideas and send our readers on a kind of choose your own adventure by providing a bunch of different sources that they can explore. It's also an easy way to cite the sources that we're using in our writing, rather than using something like APA or MLA, which you would use in an academic paper. In blogging, you can just link to the original source to show that you're giving proper credit. So we're going to start by just heading over to my dashboard where it says posts, and I'm just going to say add new. So there are a number of different reasons that we might add links to a blog post. So one of them might be that I want to talk about a particular blog post that I've read. So I might have my sentence go something like this. So I was reading this blog post and I found it really interesting. Now I want to link to the words this blog post. So I'm just going to head over and grab a blog post address. And what I need to do is not just add the blog address, but I also want to add the specific address for that particular blog post. So it'll be the name of the blog, and then it should have a slash and some other things after it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hyperlink to this by highlighting it, saying insert link, and then I'm going to throw the URL in there. So you can see I just took this from my own blog. So it has my blog address and then a slash and then the name of the blog post. And I'm going to ask it to add the link. So now I've added a hyperlink to that particular blog post. Now, the benefit of adding it to, or adding a blog post itself rather than just the site, is that the post author will actually get what's called a pingback, which allows us to know that somebody is actually commenting on our posts. That won't happen if you don't link to a particular blog, to a particular blog post. But sometimes I just want to talk about a person's blog more generally. So in that case, I might say something like, I really enjoy reading this teacher's blog. Now here, I probably want to link to the blog in general. So I'm just going to grab another blog address. So this would just be, the actual blog address, not the blog post address. Again, I'm going to highlight, I'm going to click on the insert link button, and I'm going to throw it in there. So that's the link to my blog itself. And in that way, I'm not going to give a ping back to that person, but I am allowing readers to visit their entire blog. Now, you can add links to just about anything that you want to find or that you want readers to look at on the internet. So you might link to articles, you might be talking about a particular person, and you might just link to their Twitter account or to their About Me page. But there are lots of possibilities when doing this. So keep in mind, pretty easy to add links to your blog posts, and I suggest you start doing that right away.